I'm getting requests to run Google Ads from the competitor of my existing client. Ads is location based, both located at the same location, same keywords for both clients, same targeting. Suggest me what I can do. Very interesting question. Um, I can only talk about myself, right? And if there is a direct conflict of interest, then I wouldn't take it on. But everybody is different because if you don't take it, somebody else is going to take it. And if that competitor is going to start campaigns anyway, whether you do it or somebody else does it. So don't feel bad about it that, oh, I'm competing both of them together. But at the same time, you will have double the data as to what is working and what's not working. And secondly, one client will have bigger budget than the other one. So it's not like both of them are competing throughout the 24 hours if those ads are running 24 hours. So you need to take this into account. And obviously, I don't have to say this. Um, Confidentiality is extremely important in this business. So you should not discuss that, oh, I'm also running campaigns for the other clients or any other clients in this niche. Yes, you can talk about, yes, I run campaigns for dentists or plumbers or, life insurance and so on, but don't mention any names unless you've been given express permission by the client to use them as a case study. So yeah, it's up to you, Amit. I really cannot um, suggest whether you should take this on or not. But yeah, it's a good problem to have, I should say.